Welcome to this new video. Today it's all about one of the largest CFD brokers in the world. It's all about Plus500. Is it a really good broker or is it a scam? We will find out in this video. I will give you a deeper look into the trading conditions for traders, and I will show you step by step how to trade on the online platform. First of all, I will go through the official webpage here of Plus500. I'm already on the webpage and I will show you some stats, interesting stats about the company. It's very important before you sign up with any broker that you have a look on the webpage. Is it a regulated company? What are the company facts? And yeah, you can directly see on the webpage on the most brokers, is it a trusted broker or not. We will go through this in this video, and then I will show you the trading platform, what you can trade here, what are the conditions, are the fees very low or not. We will show you that in this video. If you're interested in more information, you can have a look in the description below. There will you find my homepage with a very big review about this company. Okay, let's go. This is the official homepage of Plus500. You directly see here the markets. You can trade with this broker more than 1,000 different markets. You can trade. You see this here directly via CFDs. This is a contract for difference. With contract for difference, you can start with a very small amount of money to trade it. It's over the counter financial product, and with CFDs you can trade on shares, you can trade on commodities, options, forex, indices, cryptocurrencies. With this broker you can easily invest into rising or into falling markets. That's no problem with CFDs. And you see here directly on the webpage, it's very transparent. The spreads, the prices of the assets. For example, the Bitcoin spread for CFDs, from my experience, is here very low. So there's only a spread of $30 in the Bitcoin CFD, and that's very good for me, in my opinion. So you see here, for example, the pound US dollar spread is very low on this time. Okay, with Plus500 you can trade with the mobile phone. This is not a problem. You see it here directly, the app. Download the app for your smartphone, for your tablet, or you can get it for your PC, for your computer. And there are some advantages of the platform. I will show you that later in the platform tutorial. You get here a stop limit and stop loss trading stop, and there's a possibility of a guaranteed stop loss. And this is a huge advantage about this trading platform, because this broker can offer it for CFDs, a guaranteed stop. That means you get stopped out directly to the price you want. This is not possible on any markets, but with Plus500 it's possible here, but you have to pay, from my experience, a little bit more fees. So you can see here some about the trust, because Plus500 is a very big company and they are regulated in different countries. For example, I am now on the UK regulation. This is the main regulation here. You see Plus500 is UK is regulated through the FCA, and this is a very trusted regulator of this broker, and it's of the United Kingdom. And you can see here that Plus500 Ltd UK is listed on the London Stocks Exchange here, and this is a very big trust for this company. You can't get it better with a broker. Your funds are very safe with this company. You see the withdrawal, you can see the deposit methods here, like PayPal, Bankwire. They are only regulated payment methods, and that's, in my opinion, it's very fair to use this with this broker. Okay, you see here another advantage of this broker. They are a sponsor of a football club. Yeah, let's have a look here on the About Us page. You see here some stats, and yeah, if you want to know more about the client's money protection, there you can see that they are very, very strict with the regulations and security for customer funds. Yeah, you see some stats. They don't trade against you. They earn money through the spread and the fees, so it's a regulated company. First of all, for me personally, Plus500 is a trusted broker, regulated and very safe to trade. You got different regulations of this company, and yeah, you can't get it better than with Plus500 in my opinion. Okay, let's talk another topic here. You can get 24/7 support, but there's a little disadvantage because there is no phone support from my experience, only chat and email support, but 24 hours per day. Yeah, you can see here there are the other regulations of Plus500, for example, regulated of the CISEC in Cyprus, regulated in Australia, and more here. Okay, let's go to the trading platform. I talked enough about the company, how to create your account. It's very easy. Just click on Start Trading and you get here. Can trade here. You can open a free demo account. This is an account with virtual money. So it's for free here. And yeah, if you want to create an account, just type in your email, just type in your password, and you got in. I will do that, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. Yeah, you can do it very quickly, and see you in the next minutes. I will sign up for Plus500 and we see us. So I'm back here. I'm logged in the trading platform, and I will show you now how to trade exactly with Plus500. I'm logged in the demo account. Everybody can sign up for free with this broker to get a demo account. And yeah, you see here the different assets. If you click on trade, you can change the asset through this menu. You see there are indices available, cryptocurrencies, forex, options, shares, and ETFs. If you are searching for an instrument, just type it in here, like the euro, US dollar. You can search for it and yeah, directly find this this asset, and then it's automatically open in the chart. If you want to open another chart, you can click here. I will a quick example for you. If I click on all indices, here are the different indices. I choose, for example, the UK 100, and the chart is opening. I inserted here different indicators. I will show you that. For example, the VWAP, this is a well-known indicator, and the MACD. You can just zoom in, zoom out in the chart and do some analysis here. It's very easy and customizable, this chart. Yeah, you can click here to make it bigger or smaller. I recommend to do it big like this to do a full and professional analysis. What's so important about this chart types here? They offer you a huge variety of different options here. You can change it to the tick chart, different time frames. You can change here the chart types. This is a very huge advantage of this platform, because you can trade with Fibonacci charts, you can trade with range charts, and yeah, some different chart types. So if you want to do the range chart, yeah, then you can do this. From my experience, it's a very good chart. And if you want to add any indicator, you can click here. I did here, I added the VWAP and the MACD. If you want to change here some settings, you just click on in the little wheel and you can change here the colors and so on. So it's very customizable here, this platform with indicators, with chart types, a huge variety. And yeah, you can change, also you can save here some templates. So if you want to open a new chart, you can change the template with one click and save it. Yeah, here are different another options like the crosshair for some stats. So if you want to make a technical analysis, it's also possible through the drawing tools like Fibonacci and so on. This is about the charting. So for my recommendations, Plus500 is very good at charting. I know this broker for many years, and in the past the charting was not so good, but now they added some very professional tools and options, so I can recommend it fully here to do an analysis professionally. Yeah. If you want to trade here, I choose the UK 100, and you can see the chart. And on the right side, this is the important thing about it. You can see here information about the chart. You can click here, you see the full information about the financial product. You see the spread, the leverage, the contract amount. You see different news. They actually show you the news to your asset, and that is very good. Yeah, here are the live stats and the trader sentiments. What are the traders doing here, other traders? And if you want to trade here, just click on buy or sell. You can invest in rising or falling prices. This is very easy. If I click on buy here, another picture, another field should open now. So my internet connection today is a little bit slow. Now it shows. You see here, this is the order mask. If I clicked on buy, and you see you can change here the contract value. My account, for example, is in pound. You see here the required margin and the value of the account, because it's a leverage of 1 to 20. And yeah, you can choose here the profit. You can choose here the stop loss, and there is a big advantage of Plus500. You can choose here the guaranteed stop loss. But if you watch here, if you see this, there it shows it's a rider spread of 2.7. So if you use a guaranteed stop, you have to pay a little bit more fees. So I want to trade without take profit. What's also an advantage, it shows here directly on the chart where my order will open here, where my stop loss is. If I click here, you see this. And yeah, if I want to buy here, for example, I want to do my stop loss to 228. I just changed the number to this. And now if I guaranteed stop loss, I take it away. Now it should change here. I don't see it, but I will do this for you. If I click here on buy, you will see it directly. Yeah, and there it is, advanced settings like the trading stop loss, only buy when the rate is, like a buy limit, a sell limit. So you should feel familiar with this option. If you got some experience in trading, we'll change it here through 100. Let's see it. And yeah, you can see it's changed here directly, the stop loss. And yeah, but it's a little bit wide stop loss. If I take this one, this is a very large stop loss. So I want to take like a 200. So why it's not changing? Rather, okay, I will click on buy, and I got filled. You see this here. I got filled. Let's see the position. I change this quick, 50-minute chart, so get a bigger, better overview. So I bought here. Why is it not shown here? take a look. If you click here, yeah, you see it. Now it's shown. If you don't click it, they don't show you that in the chart type. Now we can see it. Here's my buying order. This is just an example trade. Buying order, you see it here. And my stop loss is here. We can just change it if you want. If you click here on edit, you can change the stop loss. If I want to do like 2020, click on update. Now the stop loss is changing here in the chart. You saw that. And yeah, you can change easy the stop loss. This is just the stop limit. If you got wrong, you got stopped out to this price, and you can also see on the platform how much money is it. So this is very, very good. You see here the potential loss on this order. And yeah, if you want to close this position, just click on close. Yeah, you also see here the overview about your account, your equity, your margin, your profit and loss, and what's available. I click on close and close the position. With a little bit lost because the market isn't moving here, and you directly see the change here on this account. Okay, this was my tutorial of Plus500. If you want to sign up, just read my full review of Plus500. You will find the link in the description below. And you can start with a free demo account or a minimum deposit of $100. You can use PayPal, bank wire, credit card, and other options. So it's very easy. It's a trusted broker. I recommend this broker very hardly because it's like more than 10 years. Also, I don't remember it correctly. It's a very old broker. It's listed on the stock exchange, and yeah, I can recommend this from my opinion. So if you are searching for a good broker with a huge variety of assets, you should sign up here. You saw the spreads. They are very competitive. If you have a look here, like the spread on the German DAX is like less than one point. That is very good spread here on these assets. And yeah, a competitive broker is Plus500. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and read the description. Goodbye and have a nice trading day.